All right, today we're gonna do a nice salad. We're not gonna eat the bread. I didn't want to cook the chicken, so I ended up buying a Chick-fil-A sandwich, and we're gonna just make a simple salad. All right, carrots, vegetables. So right now we are gonna chop off some of the vegetables first. These are washed already, but first we're gonna start with our main lettuce. This is yesterday's. This is not yesterday's though. This is like 2 days old lettuce, all right? So let's get rid of some of the heart and some of the components that are a little shady. That's about it. So we're gonna put this on the side. Then we're gonna start cutting this into smaller portions so we could enjoy it. We're our chicken sandwich, and we're gonna wash it right now. This is a sharp knife. I love this knife. My favorite knives. All right, just be careful, because I still want to love you. So I'm gonna tell you a story. This morning when I woke up, I found a bag in my windshield wiper, thinking that it was dog poop, that somebody mad or something ended up throwing it there or something, you know. First thing I was like, oh shoot, I'm gonna go check out the cameras. But it turns out they're aguacates, all right? A lady drops every often, she drops aguacates off. She's very appreciative, but first I was like, somebody did something. So let me wash this and come back. All right, so we got everything ready, all right? We just washed the salad. I'm gonna start putting our carrots. I'm gonna chop them off in smaller pieces so you can enjoy them. And I'm gonna eat 2 carrots. So, and then I'm gonna see if I can minimize the actual spacing because they get bigger and bigger at the end. Okay, cut these in half. That's good enough. It's good enough. Cut this in half. All right, now minimize them, make them smaller. And the larger ones go to these dogs that I have here. They love carrots. Don't give them too many or they get chorro. All right, it's good for them, but minimize. You don't want to mess. If your dog's not used to vegetables, don't give them any. So you got to ease them there slowly. I mean, vegetables good for them. Not all the vegetables, right? Read and find out what dogs are allergic to, right? Or can or cannot eat. Like onions and garlic, it's not good for them. Some people might say different, but it's not good for them, all right? Research before you feed anything to your dog. But back in the days when we were young, if you had a dog, he ate what we ate. That's how I used to work. That's why there's these dogs today, their weak immune system probably kill them now, you know? Back then, I didn't know that dogs were allergic to chocolate. They could die. Man, I remember one of my dogs ate like a whole bag of donut made of chocolate and nothing happened to him, you know? But you know what's the saddest thing when I see people last moment with their dog is that they gave them a piece of chocolate, at least to enjoy it one last time before they put them down. And that to me is touching. I do want to fulfill my dog's dreams that I think is their dreams, but you know, it's hard. I want to take them to the beach. I've done that before. I'm going to do it again. But those things are a little hard because these guys are over 100 pounds, and when you're trying to calm a dog down or walk a calm, or it's just not it's a task, it's a job. So, and not only that, the dog I have is super strong. He's like really strong dog. He's like, I think he's a half pit or something, but he is like physically strong. All right, we're gonna integrate our veggies in here. Yeah, might as well throw them all. You know, we don't have nothing else. So we integrated that. We're gonna add some nuts, all right? Some nuts. But I'm gonna see if I'm gonna do it not with the knife. I'm gonna do it with different, but let me get some nuts. Some almonds. We're gonna get all sorts of things. So first of all, get some cashew. Gonna break them all down. I don't want to roast them today. I'm just gonna do basic, but you will need to have nuts. That's good enough. Throw them all in here. Everything goes in there. All right, we got that in there. Those are our nuts. I love these. These are, look at this. Love these things, man. Then we're gonna go with some roasted peanuts, just a little bit, just maybe a couple. Do the hand thing, and that's it. I have to crush these. Almonds, might as well. These are crushed almonds already, so I love nuts, to be honest with you. They're very healthy for you. Something I enjoy now. Never did as a kid, to be honest with you, but now as an adult, you try to watch for yourself. So you try to eat as healthy as possible. What else do we have in here? Oh yeah, instead of croutons, we're gonna throw some of these in there. Like noodles, not too many because this is a healthy salad. And we wanna keep some sort of healthiness in there. So let's mix it up too. I'm gonna eat the whole damn thing, to be honest with you. Get it on there. Now we're gonna start with, there is pepino too, but I'm gonna skip it. So mix it up. The piece of resistance is this right here. So first of all, it's a chicken. Not gonna eat the bread. I'm gonna eat the pink. I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna donate these to a good foundation called My Dogs. Toby gets this one, and Crypto gets this one. All right, so just donated the piece of bread. It's Chick-fil-a, thanks. Inexpensive Chick-fil-a. Cut pieces of it. Good salad with Chick-fil-a. Oh yeah. You know, I was gonna do my own chicken, but you know, you can buy your chicken salad from them, but you never know what they're gonna give you. Look at that beautiful cuts. You grab your salad bowl, fill it in, fill it in. And we're not gonna eat the fries either. We're gonna have one fry, just for me. The rest, I'm gonna donate them to a good foundation called Toby and Crystal. I recommend something without more of the fatness, you know, but it's up to you. Balsamic vinegar is what I'm gonna use. And if I go open this sucker, that's my strength. There it goes. Do a little balsamic vinegar. That's good enough. Mix it up. The chicken, everything goes in there. And there you go. If you're ever lazy, you have your diet of not eating bread, avoiding bread, you want to make yourself a nice meal. Eating with your leftover stuff. You could always buy a Chick-fil-A. Make yourself a chicken salad your way. So from my house to your house, hope you guys enjoy the meal.